Hello, teacher. My name is Milton Vargas. I will show you my ID. Okay. And today I will talk about citation styles like Chicago, MLA, APA, and CSA. First of all, to begin this presentation, let's talk about what is citation style and why it is important to cite sources. Okay, citation style is a norm in which the readers will know the origin of where the information comes from. This is really important because every information that we read, we have to know where they comes from, okay, and who did that research or that book. Okay, and after that, another reason about what is a citation style is also give the reader information to find the location, the exact location of the source cited in the work. So with this, with citation style, we um, we know the exact location of where we can find the whole book or the whole information about that issue or that research that we need to use. And why is important to cite sources? To prove who was the person who carried out the investigation or work, to help the readers to find out more about research, and the most important reason is to avoid plagiarism. Okay, plagiarism. Okay. Um, every single research or every single investigation or document or text, it's written by a person or a group of person, and if we will use that information, we have to cite in our document where we get get all that information and who write that information. Okay, it's really important that. And a note, an important note, it's that I write here is that important data to elaborate site and reference are author name, title of the book or the research, the date of the publication, and also we can use the pages that we used, the URL that where we can find that information. Let's continue with Chicago citation style. Chicago's style is used primarily for academic writing in history and humanities, and uses a system of a bibliography and either endnotes or footnotes rather than in-text citation. Most citation includes three key elements: author name, titles or sources, publication information, and that's it. And the third main characteristic, but is not, but it's really important, is that set article in chapter title in quotation mark. This is really important. Always set articles in chapters titles in quotation marks. Okay, let's continue with some examples. The first example, we have the Bernard Russell's A. We have the first of all, we have to write the last name of the author, and then next to the comma we write the name of the authors. Okay, the complete name, Russell's. Okay, and after that we write the title of the book in this case. Okay, and this book was edited by Graham Bartram, and we can find the main text from page 77 to page 92 from Cambridge University Press in 2004. In Chicago's style, we write the year of the publication at the end of the site. Okay, always at the end of the site. This is really important. And also, we write the last name next to comma, and after that we write the name. We have to write the name, for example, Russell, not just the initial of the name. We have to write the name. Okay, This is really important. And here we have another example, and we have also the URL. Next, after the date of the publication, we have to write the URL. So we can find that information in this website. Let's continue with APA citation style. We are familiarized about this style. What is the meaning of APA? Is American Psychological Association, and in this style is commonly used in areas such as psychology, education, humanities, social science. Okay, and the other main characteristic is that APA must be written in the third person. This is really, really important. It must be written in third person. Another main characteristic is that we have to use Time New Roman letter, and also the signs of the letter, it will be 12 points. Okay, here we have some example. Here we have the first example. We write the last name next to comma. After that, we just write the initial of the name. Okay, this is a difference between Chicago's and APA styles. After that, we write the year of the publication in parentheses, okay? And after that, we write the title of the book or of the journal article, and the where they press the information of the book, okay? And also here we have another example with many authors. We have the last name of the first author. Here we have their his or her, I don't know, um, uh, first name. Okay, KJ. And here we have the other author. We just write the last name, and next to, and after that we just write the initial name in capital letters, and after that the year of the publication. And here we have that we can find information that we will use from page number 140 to page 149. Next, MLA. What is the meaning of MLA? Citation Style is a modern language association. We can use this citation style in the field of linguistics and humanities in general. This one main characteristic is that in this citation style we don't use parentheses to present authors' names, and in the order in which they appear in the sources in the reference of the pages. And the year of the publication goes without parentheses again and goes after the publisher. Okay, the year of the publication goes after the publisher. Here we have some examples. So, well, we have Arroyo, comma, Gonzalo. We write the name of the author, and we have the um, the title of the book, and after that we have the year of the publication. We don't use any parentheses, okay? We don't use any parentheses like this. Let's see. Well, here there is here we have using a parenthesis because we use we can find information from page 215 to from 215 to 220, and here we have that we don't use any parentheses for do that. Let's continue with the last citation style, that is CSE citation style. These journal titles are abbreviated. The journal titles are abbreviated, but no periods are used in the abbreviation. No periods in abbreviation, no periods in author initial, and also the last author name within a reference is connected to the others by a comma instead of using the word and, or we can use this symbol that is ampersand. Okay, we can use that, or the letter the word and. References are formatted using a hanging indent. Okay, we can find here some examples that we don't use any periods of about the name of the author, any parentheses or any commas. We don't use any of that symbols like here. We don't use, we have here the last name of the author. We don't have any comma or period. We have just the initial letters of the names authors, and after that we have the year of the publication without parentheses, and here we can find the references or the URL of the website where we can find the information that we needed. Thank you so much for your attention, and that's all.